Telepreneur Corp or Telepreneur Corporation ay nag-start year 2012. So currently, papunta na po tayo sa ating ika-12th years anniversary this coming August na po yan. So ibig sabihin, proven na, ganyan na katagal ang company, magto 12 years na legit at matatag na matatag. Okay, next. So sino-sino ba yung administration na bumubuo ng Telepreneur Corp? Ayan. So una, syempre ang ating founder, none other than Mr. Lorenzo B. Rellosa. And ang ating President and CEO ay si Ma'am Mariel Astudillo. Syempre ang ating Vice President for Sales and Marketing, none other than Sir Sajuran Dayaw. Ang ating VP for Finance, si Sir Leonidas Rellosa. Ang ating Vice President for Operations, si Ma'am Ana Lorraine Rellosa. And of course, our Chairman of the Board, none other than Mr. Dave Lopez. So sila-sila po ang bumubuo ng Telepreneur Corporation. So kung mapapansin nyo po, may mga magkakaapelido sa kanila dahil ito po ay family business. So 100% Filipino-owned, no? Okay. We also have our TPC branches nationwide. So ano-ano ba yan? Nandyan yung ating Cebu branch located at General Maximum Ave, Cebu City. We also have our Jensen branch na located at Lagaw, General Santos City. Ang ating Iloilo branch located at corner is North Solis Street, Iloilo City. And of course, our corporate office, yung ating Quezon City branch which is located po dito sa second floor Lemon Square Building, Barangay Katipunan, EDSA Muñoz, Quezon City. And ang ating main office po ay ang ating FAMI branch located at Barangay Damayan, FAMI Laguna. Ayan, so sabi ni Ma'am Hadja Hania Malapalo, sana may branch dito sa Iligan City. Ayan. So sa mga ganyan po, let's see, no, malay nyo in the future magkaroon po tayo ng mas maraming branches. Okay. So ano ba yung company profile? Ano yung profile ni TPC, no? So currently, we have over 7 million members nationwide and worldwide po yan kasi meron tayong mga members, no, na nasa ibang bansa. We also have over 270 city stockists. And we have over 5,000 na mga mobile stockists. So again, si Telepreneur Corp is a duly 100% no, Filipino-owned company with SEC registration number na nakikita nyo po sa inyong screen. So kung gusto nyo pong ma-double check, kung gusto nyo pong mawala yung doubt ninyo kung legit ba ang company, punta lang po kayo sa website ng SEC at search ninyo yung registration number at lalabas po ang name na Telepreneur Corp na magpapatunay na tayo ay legit. Okay. The incorporators ng company, syempre well-equipped po yan with the multi-level marketing expertise, syempre combined with an IT expert in developing MLM system. Next. So ano nga po ba yung vision ni Telepreneur Corp? Syempre is to become the largest and responsible multi-level marketing company and solutions provider in the Philippines. Okay, ang mission naman ng company, marami yan. So una, syempre is to constantly upgrade its systems, products, and services para po maibigay yung needs, no, and demands ng ating mga system owners and consumers. Next, syempre to develop and uplift its employees' personal. Next pa sa mission ng company, syempre, ay makapag-provide, no, ng mga appropriate trainings para makapag-produce ng quality leaders for them to achieve financial freedom through the TPC's unique compensation plan. And lastly, to meet the stockholders' expectation in terms of return of investment. Okay, When it comes to legalities, ayan, we also have our barangay business clearance. Ito po, yung certificate of registration na we are taxpayer, no? Nagbabayad po tayo ng buwis kay BIR. Ito po yung ating certificate of filing kay Securities and Exchange Commission. And then last is yung permit to operate given by the LGU po yan.